Hi, a lot of you heard about the learning log that I've been doing on the computer. So I'm going to make a few videos here so you can do it piece by piece and you don't have to do everything all at once. So we'll start, this is our first video, and I'm going to show you how to first of all set up a Google form. And if you're good at Google Forms and you know what you're doing, then you might want to skip this video. But we'll start by, I'm in my Drive right now and I'm going to go to the New button, and down here where it says More, there's Google Forms. So I'm going to click a new Google form. You can title this Google form whatever you want to. I'm calling it a learning log. And then you're going to go in and write your questions for your learning log. So your first question, and this is completely open, up to you. But what was the goal today? Might be your first question. And instead of a paragraph, I would like that to be a short answer. And then I go over here and I click add a question. And let's see, I'll say, what questions do you have? I'll just leave it, what questions do you have? And I'd like that to be a short answer. Now, if there for some reason, most of my questions on my learning log are short answers, but you might want to do a multiple choice question. Like, let's see, where did you leave your book? I don't know what kind of multiple choice question you might have on the learning log. But if you want to put where did you leave your book, in my locker is one option, and at home is another option, and I have it in my backpack. So now you've got your learning log set up. And the last thing you need to do, well, there's a couple things if you want to enhance it a little bit. One thing you really need to do is in settings, collect email addresses. This way you don't have to collect who has submitted. You don't have to put a name thing, but you'll get the email address. It'll also tell you the date and the time that your students submit it. You can also change up here the color of this background, this purple. You can make it any color, or you can choose an image. And then when you go into images, there's a whole bunch of different choices here. So, you know, you can have travel images. This one I'm using right now, and it moves. So that's really exciting. So you can change your background here. You have your title in, which is learning log. You have some questions in. And it says all changes saved in Drive. So that's how you make the form. And that's the end of this video. In the next video, I'll talk about gathering the data from this form and using a spreadsheet.